It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 29th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A good chance at rain, maybe a few thunderstorms here in the valley today, and of course more snow up north. But it will move through rather quickly because the weekend looks dry with a warming trend setting up, and that will continue into the first part of next week before another chance at some rain and lower elevation snow and cooler temperatures as well by about Wednesday. We'll talk about all of that and everything else going on in just a moment, but first, yes, it is Friday, and it is a highly anticipated edition of Photo Friday here, where we take a look at some of the photos and videos that you guys have submitted, and we have a lot of submissions today. First up, here's a shot at some snow, but this is not from here in Arizona. This actually comes from Clayton, and this is a picture from Sweden, although we'll have a few pictures from Arizona that look very similar to this in just a moment. This next picture is from Philip around the Saguaro Lake area last weekend. Gorgeous picture there. If you've never been to Saguaro Lake and you want to check it out around sunset, that's a great time to go. Then Greg was on a hike up there in North Mountain. The rain started to come in. They had to make their way down very quickly, but some beautiful shots there. And then some random pictures from just all around the valley from Katrina. Always takes some great pictures of the sky and the clouds and sunsets. And of course, Arizona, as I tell you every single week, some of you are sick of hearing this, but if you want good sunset pictures, this is the state, this is the part of the country to be in, the desert landscaping or the mountains, the backdrop there, just for beautiful sunrise and sunset photos. And then our friend Ryan Seek took these pictures from out in the desert, tried to get some shots of some snow out in the saguaros there near the Superstition Mountains. But some of those roads were closed. They were impassable due to snow or flooding. So still, absolutely gorgeous pictures there. The snow in the desert, always an interesting sight and a rare one here for our part of the state. And then we have another shot from Philip. This is from between the Safford and Duncan area over the eastern part of the state. Lots of snow came down there. And speaking of snow, we've got a lot of that up in the northwestern part of the state as well. This is from the Willow Creek area. That's not too far away from Kingman, up in Mojave County at about the 5,000 foot level. And you can see they got a dumping of snow up that way. It's hard to find too many places above about 2,500 or 3,000 feet that didn't see any snow at all. And speaking of snow, even closer to home, here's one. This is from the Tom's Thumb Trailhead. That's up there in the McDowell Mountains, that's North Scottsdale area. And you can see there was even some snow up there. So plenty of snow, not just here in the valley, across the state, but just all over the place. Lots of rain as well. And another opportunity for that later today, as we will discuss. And if you have something you'd like to submit for Photo Friday, you can do so. groffshow@gmail.com is my email address. It's groffshow@gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, let's take a look at that almanac from yesterday. 73 degrees was the afternoon high, 52 the morning low. The normal high now up to 69, the normal low 47. And that rainfall deficit, hopefully we cut a little further into that today. And as we take a look outside right now, here at 6:40 a.m., partly cloudy sky out there, sitting at 54 degrees at Sky Harbor, another very mild start. Dew point at 35, relative humidity 50%, the wind is calm, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 47 over in Buckeye. We've got 49 at Fort McDowell and Goldfield. Otherwise, a couple of upper 40s to upper 50s through the metro. Taking a look across the country, a big ridge centered over the Gulf, nosing all the way up into the Plain States, and a big trough out here in the west, and that has brought several feet of snow to the Sierra. Lots of rain to California, an area that desperately needs it, so that's good news. And as that system comes through here today, we'll see a good chance at rain and some thunderstorms this afternoon. Here's the watch warning map. Winter weather advisories, of course, up north along the rim and across northwest Arizona. Some wind advisories here through the west. Dense fog, a problem for parts of Nebraska and Kansas. A winter storm watch from around Cedar Rapids, Iowa, over towards Chicago, Muncie, Indiana, as far east as Lima, Ohio. And the convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather across the country. Some thunder possible here across Southern California and much of western and central Arizona as that system comes through today. The precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix between about 1/4 and 1/2 of an inch. Of course, any one spot could get a little bit more than that. Although the rain opportunity today will be a fairly brief window, and we'll get into that and everything else going on too as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that deep trough and associated cold front approaching us from the west today. So down at the surface, partly cloudy this morning. We turn cloudy this afternoon and showers on the increase, maybe a few thunderstorms as well. This is not going to be as robust or dynamic a system that came through here earlier this week, certainly not, but a few storms could put down some gusty winds, maybe some brief small hail. And highs this afternoon, upper 50s and low 60s. As for exactly when the rain comes in, let's see if we can take a look at our high-resolution models, get a little bit of better clarity on that. This is the HRRR at 1 o'clock today, and you can see the band of showers and storms associated with the cold front coming into western Maricopa County at that point. Maybe the far west valley by that time. And then this is the HRRR, the simulated radar product at 7 o'clock tonight. And the showers are moving out of the East Valley by then. So I think the best window for rain for most of the metro is probably between about 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. today. And there might be a stray shower just before then, a few lingering showers after that, but that's our main window of opportunity with the cold front as it comes through. And then we'll dry out pretty quickly after that. We turn mostly clear after midnight tonight. Might be a few patches of fog, probably not though. Overnight lows should get down into the upper 30s to mid 40s. And then tomorrow, partly sunny in the morning, sunny in the afternoon, a beautiful day with high temperatures upper 50s to low 60s. Mostly sunny and warmer on Sunday, upper 60s to near 70. Then the clouds start to come back in on Monday as another system approaches the west coast, a pretty deep southwesterly flow, so lots of mid and high level moisture around. High temperatures though, upper 60s and low 70s. Same thing on Tuesday, mostly cloudy, but upper 60s and low 70s, just a couple of beautiful days there. Then on Wednesday, the model uncertainty grows here a little bit. Most of the global models, preponderance of the ensemble guidance suggests a fairly fast moving, not particularly dynamic short wave comes through here Wednesday night, early Thursday, and that'll bring a small chance of rain for us here in the valley and a few snow showers up north, but not a whole lot of precipitation with this. Cooler temperatures though. High temperatures should fall back into the mid and upper 50s. There are a few members in the ensemble that show a much deeper and colder system with better chances of rain. For now, we've kept the forecast a little bit on the conservative side, 30% chance of rain in here Wednesday. The snow levels could come down low enough to see a stray flake or two across the McDowell Mountains once again and the far upper portions of the Phoenix Metro Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. But it's not going to be anything like what we saw on Monday and Tuesday, that's for sure. And then Thursday looks pretty nice too. High temperatures, again, upper 50s to about 60 with the skies clearing. All right, let's go to a week from today. This is Friday, the 5th of February. And again, a very big trough, a long wave trough across much of the country. We are on the western periphery of that, a northwesterly flow here. So that looks cool and dry. This is Saturday the 6th, and another short wave pivoting through the four corners, and that should keep us breezy, dry, and cool. And then going out 10 days, this is Sunday the 7th. Again, look at that vortex there over northern Manitoba. My goodness, upper heights at, what is that, 486 decameters. Wow. It's very cold air, but here we are under a dry northwesterly flow, and that just looks rather pleasant. All right, let's take a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks. This is coming off of the European ensemble. There's quite a bit of spread here. The ensemble mean is actually a little over 3/4 of an inch, with multiple opportunities for at least some rain out here over the next couple of weeks. But a fair majority of the members only have rain in here today, maybe a little bit next week, and then we stay dry for a while after that. We'll just have to see how this rather odd weather pattern plays out. And then temperatures off of the national blend of models. Yeah, we'll cool it off today and tomorrow, warm it up though. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, highs getting into the low 70s, and then cool for the rest of the forecast period thereafter with readings once again below average. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. Updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching and for submitting your photos. You guys be safe out there, enjoy the rain, and have yourselves a great Friday and a wonderful weekend.